How to fix Microsoft Teams installation error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Microsoft's installation error. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, simply head over to your run. To open up your run, simply tap on the Windows key and R together, and the run should open up. Now under run, simply search for local data, local app data under, give it between these two percentage sign and then hit enter. After you open it up, this folder will open up. Now you need to scroll down till you find Microsoft. So scroll down till you find Microsoft and open it up. Now under here, you will see a Teams option, that is a Teams folder. Simply delete this. After you delete this, what you'll need to do is again head over to run, and instead of local app, search for app data. Now make sure the app data is inside the percentage sign. After you do so, you will need to do whatever you did again. Simply head over to Microsoft, open the Microsoft folder, scroll down till you find Teams and delete the Teams again. After you delete the Teams, what you need to do is simply restart your computer and your Microsoft Teams installation error should get fixed. And yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.